Hi there, Andrew Thompson here from Precision Market Trading. It's been a few weeks since I've done a video. I've had a lot of internet problems, bad cables leading to my property. I had to get proper cable put in, which was done during the week. Up until then, it was taking nearly 4 hours to upload a video, which is unacceptable, so I didn't bother. I've been blogging putting quite a few posts on my blog, but no videos. Anyway, we're back on track. We'll see how quickly this uploads. Theme today is on gold. As you may be aware from my blog, I've been short gold for quite a few weeks now. Every break of the low, I'm going short again. I've also been short this stock, Newcrest, in and out once, and I've been short for the last few weeks from back up here. And I think we've come to a bit of a juncture on Friday. I noticed last night overseas, the gold market had a bit of a bad day on the downside, broke key support. Like I said in my blog, I wouldn't be a buyer until it's got 3 figures with an 8 in front of it. So at the very least, short term, it's going to $1,000 from where it is now. And I'm just giving you an update on how the shares are going and the physical gold. So here we have Newcrest Mines. You might have seen quite a few times, and I've also stated quite a few times, I don't really go in too much for Fibonacci, but there's a couple of numbers there that I do follow. 233 is usually a very, very strong one, and we have a bit of that here. Just going back when I originally went short, this top here, 1534, actually going back a bit further, you may remember we were long down here. We got out here when the price hit around 1440. I thought 1440, that's my favorite number, 10 times 144, I'm gone. It did stop it for a while, collapsed down a couple dollars, then went back to new high, but basically from there to there, it's not much. I'm gone. I made very good profits through here, and now I'm short. So this top here up at 1534 a few months ago was 233 weeks from the 2010 43.50 top. Now look at that top too. It's actually 43.47. So as we all know, that 3 times 144 is $4.32. So you move a decimal point as you do in the currency markets. That's pretty well close to a 144 cycle. Over here we've got this low. Now these are all sort of not major lows, not major tops, but neither is this. This is an outside reversal day. It opened low and then went to a little minor new high. Got 466 degrees, which is exactly 2 times the 233. And we've got 233 days top to top on that day, on the Friday just before the gold price collapsed. So I'm still happy to be short. I'm going to move my stop down to around here. If it gets going down here on Monday, and I'm going to move on to another stock now, Regis Resources, RRL. I noticed a newsletter, a daily newsletter I get on Friday, just people send me stuff, I get some of the stuff through the email. I really got to change my email address. They recommended going long gold on Friday. Bad call as far as I'm concerned. This is Regis Resources. This is going back all the way back to 012. Once again, we had the all-time top of Regis Resources at $5.87. You turn that into days and degrees, that comes out at 578. The number 578, which is 4 times 144. So the top was working on this. This top, this big spike top we had on Friday, I think that was because it was recommended to buy. All the punters, the panic merchants had to jump in, closed on its high, but look at the top. $1.45, 1 cent off $1.44. There's a bit of a sequence to this stock. This low here is $2.88, which once again is twice $1.44, and the range from there to here is $1.43. So average of two is exactly $1.44. I would not be long the stock going in next week. This top here, once again, $4.37. Just like I said in the previous on the chart on Newcrest, the top there was 440, 435, 43.50. This top is 437. That's 5 cents off 3 times 144, and the range from this top to this top, $2.92. That's a few cents off this low. Time equals price, range equals price, and the major range from all the way up here, $5.87 down to here, was 1,005 days. That's 3 numbers off the cycle, 7 times 144, all coming out here. Newcrest itself on the weeklies, on the longer term charts, it hit resistance. The price we had on Friday was basically 2 cents off major resistance. Not a place to go long. The way I'm looking at it here, daily, weekly, monthly, these are lower tops and lower bottoms. Why anyone's buying here is beyond me. Especially the gold price is getting hammered now. This is just a punter spike. Just like this is a panic low and it drifted down. This is a punter spike going back up. So we are happy to be short gold. We are happy to be short Newcrest Mines. As far as I'm concerned, just like gold, Newcrest has to have 3 figures in front of it before I'll be a buyer. RRL, I have an indicative price of around 85, 86 cents going into September. I have quite a turn time coming around in the 3rd week of September for gold and Newcrest, and probably RRL. I haven't done that much work on it going forward, but just like our call back in February for the April top, don't discount these calls. I do my homework, I do the numbers, and I back it up with my money. So anyway, we shall see how we go. Excuse hesitance in the video. As I said, I haven't done one for a few weeks. Even though I'm looking at myself in the screen, you get a bit nervous, but keep watching, and I think you'll find this is an interesting time for these shares. Goodbye.